the second session of introduction. Now we move on to start, and herein we have different tabs within RetailGraph software on the left hand side, and on the right are the recently used transactions within these tabs of RetailGraph. We start with sales. Within sales we have different options available like sales invoice, order verification, sales order, sales challan, sales return, sales replacement, sales credit note, sales debit note, convert order to invoice, convert challan to invoice, and invoice summary. In purchase we have purchase invoice, order verification, purchase order, order book, purchase challan, purchase return, purchase replacement, purchase debit note, purchase credit note, calculate sales rate, and reset sales rate. Now we move on to inventory. Within inventory we have product conversion, issue location transfer, receive location transfer, reconcile current stock, shortage, surplus, opening stock entry, reconcile opening stock, calculate stock value. In receipts we have receipt, deposit checks, dishonored checks, return checks, pending sales bills, PDC to deposit, receivables, receivable aging, reconcile receivable, market group wise outstanding. In payments we have payment, checks cleared, checkbook, pending purchase bills, PDC to cleared, payables, payable aging, reconcile payables. In accounts we have bank reconciliation, journal voucher, receive voucher, payment voucher, verify voucher. In payroll we have salary head, salary structure, monthly salary, pay slip, salary register, advance entry, advance detail, salary register ESI/PF. In view we have MIS view, product query, customer query, vendor query, rate and stock query, location wise, stock query, transaction query, unique ID query, refer by query, product detail, account balances, account transactions, print barcode, alert messages, and missing entry number. Now we have reports. We have a detailed reporting structure and reports available herein. To start with sales report, we have product wise sales, sales transaction, daily report, checklist, product wise sales, refer by wise sales, sales detail report, customer ledger, collection report, return status report. Then we have purchase reports like product wise purchase, purchase transaction, daily report, checklist, product wise purchase, margin report, purchase detail report, vendor ledger, payment report. Then we have transaction status report, sales return status, sales credit debit note status, sales order status, sales challan status, purchase return status, purchase credit and debit note status, purchase order status, purchase challan status. Then we have account reports which has day books, ledger display, trial balance, selected, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, fund flow, account group details, bank reconciliation reports. Then we have inventory reports, again in very detail, like sales in stock summary, stock details, stock aging, non-saleable goods in stock, hold stock, non-moving stock, express stock, expiry details, near expiry goods purchase, vendor wise near expiry good purchase, reorder details, fast moving items, minimum quantity, best vendor records, product wise stock transfer, stock ledger, adjustment report, indent report, stock transfer report, price list, and stock valuation reports. Next we move on to profit reports, which has month wise, day wise, date wise, customer and product wise profits, invoice wise profits, current stock profits. Customer reports like customer license expiry report, VAT forms, declaration reports like form stock position, pending invoice details, form register reports, user checklist, schedule reports, daily summary reports. Herein we finish the reports. Now we move on to analysis. Again, different analysis are also available like product wise sales, sales transaction, product wise purchase, purchase transactions, stock aging, receivable aging, payables aging, collection reports, ledger display, trial balance, stock details, sales in stock. Next we move on to master, which has inventory. Within inventory we have product category, tag category, marketing group, product attribute, color, unit definition, stock location wise minimum maximum stock, packing master, category group, virtual item master, marketing company, and recipe. Then we have customer and vendor master, which has customer, vendor, bank, carrier, refer by, area allocation, price list master, vendor price list. Then we have accounts, which has account group, ledger account, day books, voucher narration, cost center. In locations we have zone, region, area, station, locality, district, state, country. Then we have resources like employee, department, qualification, designation, use, role, guest, user. In others we have promotion, billing head, transaction series, currency master, credit card type, branch, address book, coupon, receive form, sales discount master, purchase discount master. Then we go to options, which has data backup, logs, system maintenance, system default, export import data, print transaction, close financial years, change financial years, change users, change date. And then tools, which has calculator, text editor, spreadsheet, report designer, barcode designer, query designer, schedule SMS email, send SMS, send email. And the last option, which has help, which is again can route us through click on online support to a team viewer ID, and an executive can support us online, and other standard operating procedures are available, which we can read and learn more about the RetailGraph software. We can also search in this tab by typing any details, as we have typed sales, so all other related transactions related to sales are available here, so we can search from this toolbar. Also we can exit this software by clicking on the exit button, and by clicking on this particular tab we have other options like shutdown, restart, style, cascade style, change password, change user, change financial year, and close all forms. So this is the second session of introduction. Hope you have understood. Thank you so much.